Rating sounds 1 through 10 with Bug Lover VR. Let's get into it, guys. Random leaf. Ooh, that's nice. 7 out of 10. This flower. It's kind of lame. 3 out of 10. The bridge. Pretty basic. 1 out of 10. The water. Ooh, nice. 9 out of 10. That's actually super satisfying. The grass. 7 out of 10. This eggshell. Ooh, nice little clicking noises. Definitely an 8 out of 10. These things. Sounds almost like the flower. I'm going to have to go with a 3 out of 10. The rope. Ooh, satisfying. Definitely a 9 out of 10. This cactus. 5 out of 10.